OpenAI has announced the launch of Sora, and the public is quite happy about their video creation journey. It is an AI tool that is helping from text to video creation with the help of AI. And you'll definitely mesmerize with the help of the outcome that it is generating. It is helping to generate 60 seconds video for your product, for your video creation journey, or whatever you suggest. Just learn about the prompt engineering, and you are the master of your videos. So today I'm going to talk about like how it will help into your e-commerce journey. Let's say you wanted to create product demo videos for your e-commerce store or the products that you are selling. It will definitely help you to create storytelling videos, product demo creations, brand storytelling, or the different video testimonials or multiple things, whatever you wish. So sounds exciting, right? I believe video creation would be the toughest jobs for your e-commerce store, but with these it will reduce your video creation cost as well as efforts and resources to ultimately very less, right? So there are currently like multiple tools also available that will help you to create such a kind of videos, the testimonial videos, and it will definitely help you to increase your sales and boost your conversion rates and everything. So let me just guide you through some of the tools that is currently available, and Sora will definitely double up the process and the features, etc. So just if I highlight about like this is a Steve AI tool. So whether you want to create a product video, explainer video, or the AI marketing video, educational, instructional video, promo video, video ads, slideshow video, corporate video, outro intro video, cartoon video, photo video, blog to video, lyrics video, whatever you want to create, be it for Facebook or any other social media, or for your website or for your e-commerce store. Let's say this is a kind of video that we have to promote one of the product that this is having, right? So if you want to create such a video, this tool will help directly, and you don't need to do anything else. You just need to enter, choose your avatar, and select your avatar, add your own photos out of it, and create your own avatar, build a dialogue, choose a language that you want to create, and you are all sorted. The kind of voice, the video editing, the collaborations, the video player, everything that you want to do, or the pop up video ads that you want to create, whatever you want to create, whether you want the analytics of it, everything will be done with the help of such a videos. Isn't it exciting? So these are another tools that is like Bytable, Synthesia, Super Demo. Video is also doing quite a great job as of now, and Hagen is all time my favorite tool currently that is helping us to create such a demo. So, are you excited? Get started with these tools as of now until the Sora is coming and take the advantage of it. Let me know which one is your favorite tool. Thank you.